Welcome. In today's video, we're going to cover a valuable feature on WhatsApp Web that allows you to unlock group chats on your PC. With the latest update, accessing locked groups is now easier than ever. Whether you need to rejoin a conversation or check on important messages, I'll guide you through the steps to unlock your group chats seamlessly. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to whatsapp.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats. Once you're on the main page, look for the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll enter the secret code that protects your locked group chats. Now, click on the search bar and enter the secret code associated with your locked chats. This code is your key to accessing those private conversations, so make sure you type it in correctly. Once you've entered the code, hit enter. After entering the correct code, you'll be able to see the locked chats. Next, find the specific group chat you want to unlock. Once you've located it, right-click on the group name. A menu will appear, and from there, select the option that says Unlock Chat. You're almost there. After selecting Unlock Chat, you'll need to enter the secret code once more. Type it in and click Continue. If everything is entered correctly, you'll successfully unlock the group chat, allowing you to view all the messages and media shared within, and that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can unlock group chats on WhatsApp Web. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and enjoy reconnecting with your group chats.